Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Codex with OpenRouter AI models. So in this video, we will be not using a specific model. We will use OpenRouter Auto. So it will select automatically best AI model and connect it with Codex. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome, open it, and here I will search for Codex docs. Go to this first link. Go to this quick start. Now here different setups is given, but we will go to this CLI. To install Codex you need Node.js to be installed on your computer. So for that I will open a new tab and I'll search for Node.js and hit enter. Go to this first link, get Node.js and go down and click on this Windows installer and save this and it will download the installer and you can then install it. The installation is pretty simple. Just launch the installer and next and it will install. So now installer is downloaded. So I'll go to the show in folder. I'll double click on it to open it. Now here click next. I've already installed, that is why it is asking me to repair. So I'll repair, but you directly select next and it will install Node.js. I'll cancel this because I have already installed it. Now I'll close this. Now I'll come here to the search, type cmd, and if I type here node-v and hit enter, so it will show me my Node version. So it means Node.js is installed. So now I'll again go to Codex docs, this one, and here I'll copy this command and I'll come here and paste this. Now it is installing Codex and it is installed. Now I want to verify its installation. So I'll type here Codex --help and it will show me all the commands of Codex as you can see here. So it means our Codex is installed. Now I'll close this. Now we will go to OpenRouter. I'll open this and type here OpenRouter. Go to this first link. Now here we will get API key. So for this, we need to register with OpenRouter. So I'll click on this Google to sign in with my Google account. Continue. Verify as a human. I agree and continue. Now we will create an API key. Now here I will name this Codex free and I will select for expiration 1 hour and I will create the key. Now I'll copy this key. We will use this and our Codex. Now I'll go here to this folder, to this PC, C, and to user HP, and by default that Codex folder is hidden. So you can see here hidden files. So you need to show this hidden files. Now it will show hidden files. So you can see here Codex. So now I will open this .codex folder and you can see here this config.toml file. So double click on it to open it. I opened it in Visual Studio Code. You can open it in any text editor. Now I'll again go to Chrome and here I will open a new tab and I will use Codex OpenRouter integration. And enter, go to this link. Now go down. You can see here Codex uses a config file typically in this folder. Create or edit this file with the following configuration. So I'll copy this and I will paste it here. Now we have to create this key in our environment variables. So for that, I'll come here to CMD to set our API key. So for that, I will copy this, open CMD, enter, and I will use set and then paste this and now equals, and I will copy the API key from here. Copy it from here. And I will paste it here. And now if I hit enter, so our API key is set up. But this is not permanently set up. If you want to set up permanently, so use here set X and then the API key and this API key inside double quotes. Now our API key is set up. So now I can go here. I'll close this and I'll come here to this models. And now here I can use any model with it, but here you can select free. And now down here from the support parameters, you need to select this tool. So these are the models that we can use with Codex. But I will use OpenRouter Auto so that it can select automatically the best model for us. So for that I will come here and I will change this model to this OpenRouter /auto. So it will now select automatically the best model. Now I'll Control S this, I'll close this, now I'll type CMD again and I will type Codex Yes, select this first one and now you can see OpenRouter Auto. So if I ask it hi, so it has written us hi, how can I help you today? Write me SQL Server connection and C# code. So now you can see that it has written the code. So now you can open this codex in any project or any folder and can write code with it. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.